Hi beautiful people and friends, welcome to my channel Carmel0727. In this video, I'm going to give you some information which is the US salary, taxes, and deductions. This information is not only helpful to nurses but to anybody who has given eligibility or authorization to work here in the US. And in the description of this video, I'm going to put some links if in case you just need more information about this topic. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing Carmel0727 and hit the notification bell so I'll see you in my next video. So keep tuning in and keep on watching. So the US tax system is considered a progressive tax system, meaning the more income you generate, you will be put into a higher tax bracket. So when you are in an income that is in a higher tax bracket, then you will be taxed more for what you earn during that particular year. The agency that oversees the collection of taxes here in the US is called the IRS. It's the Internal Revenue Service, which is part of the Department of Treasury. When you are hired by an employer here in the US, you will be given a W-4 form. The purpose of this W-4 form is for you to claim how many dependents you have, and that includes yourself. So if you are only by yourself, that's only listed as one dependent. But if you have a child, then that's an additional dependent, and that makes two dependents. So there is also some circumstances where you can claim another person as a dependent. If there's somebody living with you and you're taking care of the person, you can claim that as dependent. But that is something that you have to talk about with your accountant when you file your taxes. So the information you put on your W-4 will exactly tell your employer how much to withhold on your paycheck based on the number of dependents you're trying to claim. The income tax that's withheld will be sent to the IRS or Internal Revenue Service, and this will be reviewed and reconciled every end of each year. So you will be filing your taxes, and that month particularly is April. So along with the income tax that is withheld from your paycheck, there's also the Social Security tax, which is used to pay retirement and disability benefits. The Social Security tax withheld from your paycheck is at the rate of 6.2% of your gross wages. So let's say that your gross wages for a given period is $1,000 and your Social Security withheld from your paycheck is 6.2%, then that will equals to $62. So along with the income tax withheld, there's also the Social Security withheld and the Medicare withheld. So the Medicare tax withheld is used to pay for health benefits for those who are on retirement. The Medicare tax is withheld from your paycheck at the rate of 1.45% from your gross wages. So as we did with our prior explanation for the Social Security tax, for example, for your gross pay for a given period, your pay is $1,000 and your Medicare tax withheld is at the rate of 1.45%, then that will equals to $14.50. So at the end of the year, your employer will give you a W-2 form, and this form is really very important because it will list down your gross income for that particular year, all the tax withheld that includes income tax, your social security, and Medicare, and also it may also include a state tax because some states in the US would also have a state tax. So it would actually depend on where you reside. So I hope this information is very helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. But for a disclaimer, I would like to say that all this information that I'm giving you is based on research. And if you want to do further research, you can just check online or check on my description box for some links. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye. See you again in my next video.